When you wake up in the morning and things aren't quite standing at attention like they used to, it hits different, doesn't it? It's not just a physical thing, it's that quiet moment where you start wondering, is this how it's going to be from now on? Like your body is slowly giving up on something that once felt automatic. But before we go any further, if you care about restoring your energy, confidence, and vitality, make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video. Dr. Evelyn Ross brings you simple, science-backed solutions for men's health that truly make a difference. Now let's talk honestly. Those missing morning erections aren't gone because you're broken. They're gone because your body needs a different kind of support than it did at 30. Over time, your circulation slows, hormone production shifts, and silent inflammation builds up in your system. The good news? Every one of those problems can be fixed naturally. And today, I'll show you something so simple it almost sounds unbelievable. Taking a small amount of natural oil before bed, not rubbing it on, but actually consuming it. For centuries, men across different cultures have done this, and now modern science is finally explaining why it works so well. You'll learn which oils to use, how much to take, and why bedtime is the perfect window to do it. Castor oil, the ancient secret for inflammation and circulation. Let's start with castor oil, one of the most underrated oils for men's health. This thick, slightly sticky oil has been used for thousands of years in traditional medicine, and for good reason. Castor oil is rich in ricinoleic acid, making up nearly 90% of its composition. This unique compound penetrates deep into tissues and delivers powerful anti-inflammatory effects. When you take it internally in small doses, it doesn't just pass through your system, it actually gets absorbed and begins working on inflammation throughout your body, including your pelvic region. Now, yes, you've probably heard that castor oil is a laxative. And that's true, but only in larger doses. What we're talking about here is a much smaller amount, 1/2 to 1 teaspoon before bed, mixed in warm water or milk. At this dose, you're not going to be rushing to the bathroom. Instead, you're gently detoxifying and reducing inflammation. Here's how it helps directly with morning erections. It improves lymphatic drainage, helping to clear waste and congestion in your pelvic area, especially if you sit a lot during the day. It reduces inflammation in the prostate, which supports both urinary function and sexual performance. When choosing castor oil, quality is everything. Look for organic, cold-pressed, hexane-free castor oil packaged in glass bottles. The pharmacy plastic versions don't have the same therapeutic strength. A good bottle costs around $15 and lasts up to 2 months. Take it about an hour before bed in warm water with a squeeze of lemon to cut the taste. Some men prefer it in warm milk for easier absorption. Start slow, 1-2 teaspoon for the first week, and increase to a full teaspoon once your body adjusts. Olive oil, the Mediterranean testosterone booster. Next, let's talk about extra virgin olive oil, a true powerhouse backed by science. Men in Mediterranean regions have some of the lowest rates of erectile dysfunction in the world, and their regular olive oil consumption plays a big role in that. Olive oil is packed with monounsaturated fats, the raw materials your body needs to create testosterone. Without these healthy fats, your hormone production can't function properly. But there's more. Olive oil contains polyphenols, antioxidants that protect your existing testosterone from being broken down or converted into estrogen. In one Argentine study, men who consumed olive oil regularly had 17% higher testosterone levels than those who didn't. Another study showed improved erectile function scores by up to 20% in just 12 weeks. Why take it at night? Because testosterone production peaks between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. during deep sleep. By taking a tablespoon before bed, you're supplying your body with the raw materials it needs right when hormone synthesis naturally ramps up. Quality matters here, too. Look for first cold-pressed extra virgin olive oil in a dark glass bottle. The fresh stuff, ideally labeled with a harvest date, contains the highest polyphenol levels. Take 1 tablespoon straight like medicine, or drizzle it over a small evening snack. Many men mix it with lemon juice or take it with a piece of whole grain bread. A bonus benefit? Many report reduced joint pain and stiffness after a few weeks. The anti-inflammatory power of olive oil helps your entire body, not just your hormones. Coconut oil energy, repair, and blood vessel health. Coconut oil works differently from the others, and that's what makes it special. It's made up of medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, fats that your liver turns into immediate energy instead of storing as body fat. When you take coconut oil before bed, something interesting happens. Your body uses some for cellular repair and hormone production, while the rest provides slow-burning energy through the night, keeping your metabolism active during sleep. That's crucial because many men over 50 experience sluggish nighttime metabolism, which affects testosterone and morning energy. Coconut oil also contains lauric acid, which has antimicrobial properties that calm gut and urinary inflammation, another key to better blood flow and nerve function in the pelvic area. And here's the surprise: those natural saturated fats actually help strengthen arterial walls, keeping blood vessels flexible and healthy, essential for strong erections. Start with 1-2 teaspoon before bed and work up to 1 teaspoon or a full tablespoon if you tolerate it well. You can melt it into tea, mix with honey, or take it straight. Adding a dash of cinnamon helps with overnight blood sugar balance. Always choose virgin, cold-pressed, organic coconut oil in glass jars. It should smell like coconuts. If it doesn't, it's too refined. Pumpkin seed oil, the prostate and testosterone shield. If there's one oil that deserves every man's attention, it's pumpkin seed oil, a deep green oil packed with zinc, a mineral vital for testosterone production. 1 tablespoon provides around 4 milliliters of zinc, nearly half your daily requirement. Zinc levels naturally drop with age, especially if you use acid blockers or other medications that limit absorption. Pumpkin seed oil also contains phytosterols, plant compounds that support prostate health. Studies show men taking pumpkin seed oil experience better urinary flow, fewer nighttime trips to the bathroom, and improved prostate function overall. When your prostate is healthy and not inflamed, everything in that region works better, including erections. Another benefit comes from delta-7 stearine, a compound that helps balance hormone conversion by reducing excess DHT, the hormone linked to prostate enlargement and hair loss. Take 1 to 2 teaspoons of pumpkin seed oil about an hour before bed. It has a pleasant, nutty flavor perfect to take straight. Mix with yogurt or drizzle over a small salad. Store it in the fridge, in a dark glass bottle, to protect its nutrients. A quality bottle costs around $20 and lasts about a month, a small price for major benefits. Black seed oil, the 3,000-year-old hormone protector. Last but not least, black seed oil, also known as black cumin oil, is a legendary remedy that modern science is finally validating. It contains thymoquinone, a compound shown to increase testosterone by up to 20% in some studies. It does this by protecting Leydig cells, the cells in your testicles that actually make testosterone. As we age, those cells suffer oxidative stress and begin to fail. Black seed oil acts like armor, keeping them healthy and functional. It also improves insulin sensitivity, which is crucial because insulin resistance quietly lowers testosterone in millions of men. By improving insulin response, your body can produce and use hormones more efficiently. Take 1 teaspoon before bed, either straight or mixed with honey. Its peppery taste can be strong, but the liquid form is more potent than capsules. Here's how to structure your new evening routine for maximum effect. Week 1. Start with olive oil. 1 tablespoon before bed, an hour after your last meal. Week 2. Add a second oil, maybe pumpkin seed or castor oil. Rotate them throughout the week. Olive oil on Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Pumpkin seed oil on Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. Week 3. Experiment and adjust. You might find 2 oils work perfectly, or you can rotate through all 5 for a broader range of benefits. Dr. Evelyn Ross's personal recommendation: Mix half teaspoon of castor oil with 1 tablespoon of olive oil 3 nights per week. On alternate nights, use pumpkin seed or black seed oil. Save coconut oil for nights when you need an energy boost the next morning. If you have a sensitive stomach, take your oils with a small snack, a piece of toast, a few nuts, or some crackers. This helps absorption and prevents mild nausea. Week 1. Notice improved sleep and deeper rest. The healthy fats support hormone production overnight. Weeks 2 to 3, morning erections begin returning or feeling firmer. Energy improves, mental fog fades. Month 2, stronger, more consistent results, improved mood, confidence, and drive. Month 3 and beyond. Everything stabilizes, balanced hormones, healthier prostate, better circulation, and yes, reliable morning performance. Remember, this isn't a miracle pill. It's real physiological repair. These oils provide the raw materials your body needs to rebuild what time has worn down. Taking these oils before bed isn't just about improving erections, it's about restoring vitality from the inside out. You're doing 3 things every night: supplying your body with hormone-building fats, reducing inflammation that blocks circulation, supporting healthy blood flow and cellular repair during deep sleep. All for around $30–40 a month without side effects or prescriptions. Your body isn't broken, it's resilient. It just needs the right support at the right time. Try this for 30 days. Start small, stay consistent, and watch what happens. You might just find that your mornings become something to look forward to again.